Hello there, welcome to Nutrition and Healthy Lifestyle on Giamfi's channel. My name is Giamfi, a nursing student at Valley View University. Nutrition and healthy lifestyle, healthy living is our goal. Giamfi's channel, the rising star. Before we start our today's discussion, let's go for a quick commercial break. But wait, before we go for the break, I have a special guest here who will be introduced after the break. Keep watching Giamfi's channel, we will be right back.
Nutrition and Healthy Lifestyle on Giamfi's channel is proudly brought to you by Valley View University Health Team and supported by Giamfi's Designs, WAG Group of Companies Limited in Wasel Mart.
Welcome back, viewers, to Nutrition and Healthy Lifestyle on Giamfi's channel. Once again, my name is Giamfi and I am your host for today. Nutrition is a critical part of health and development. Better nutrition is related to improved infant, child and maternal health, stronger immune systems, safer pregnancy and childbirth, lower risk of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease, and longevity. Healthy children learn better. The human body requires a continuous supply of nutrients. These nutrients are utilized by the body to maintain health. The nutrients ought to be supplied daily in the right proportion for optimum utilization and proper body maintenance. This can be achieved by taking a balanced diet every day. Therefore, our topic for today is balanced diet. Without wasting much time, I would like to introduce our guest who will be helping us to understand what balanced diet is, and she is in the person of Eunice Saikonardi, a nursing student at Valley View University. You are welcome, Miss Eunice.
Thank you, Mr. Giamfi.
So, Miss Eunice, when we talk about balanced diet, what actually it is?
A balanced diet consists of adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients recommended for healthy growth and efficient daily activities and functions. A balanced diet contains the proper quantities and proportions of the needed nutrients to maintain good health. It must have balanced amounts of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water intake.
Thank you, Miss Eunice. Please, what diet should one eat in order to achieve a balanced diet?
To achieve a balanced diet, one should be able to have the following in their diet. 1. Fruits. 2. Vegetables. 3. Grains. 4. Proteins. 5. Dairy. And 6. Oils. Fruits and vegetables are essential sources of various nutrients, especially vitamins and minerals. Dark, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and green beans are highly nutritious. Whole grains are preferred over refined grains since the latter lack the hull, which contains most of the grain's nutrition after processing. Proteins in meat and beans are essential for growth, especially muscle and brain development. However, one should prefer lean, low-fat meats to reduce the amount of fat and cholesterol intake.
All right, thanks. So please, how should we plan our diet?
A balanced diet plan should include all daily nutritional requirements from the 5 groups of food. They are: 1. Carbohydrates. Examples are bread, yam, cereals, cassava, corn and plantain. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Examples are pineapples, mangoes, peas, citrus fruits, orange, lettuce, spinach, cucumber, and others. 3. Milk, cheese and dairy. Examples are yogurt, dried and condensed milk, butter and others. 4. Meat, fish and beans. Examples are beef, sausages, lean meats and others. 5. Fat and oil. Examples are soybean oil, olive oil, sunflower and etc.
Oh, I see. Do you think eating a healthy diet is important?
Yes.
Please tell us how important it is.
Eating a healthy diet is essential because a healthy diet can prevent chronic diseases such as obesity, hypertension, cardiovascular diseases and diabetes and some cancers. As a result, keeping a healthy diet can improve the quality of life at all ages, and it's never too late to start. As a student, I try to plan my diet in the right proportion, so you can. However, try to eat varieties of diets a day and increase the consumption of fruits and vegetables as you can. The use of vegetable oil is the best for cooking and limiting animal fat intake.
What are some examples of healthy diets?
It is even essential to eat more fish of all kinds, and don't forget to increase your iron intake by eating liver and other animal organ meat, spinach, legumes and red meat. Traditional meats like peas and beans provide good nourishment. Remember to cut down on animal fat intake. Some standard healthy diets in Ghana include palm nut soup, contamire sauce or soup, hausa cocoa, garden egg stew, fat-free milk and yogurt.
Thank you viewers for your time. Please you can send your comments and questions to our WhatsApp number on 050-660-7221 or you can also call us on 050-639-8469. God bless you for watching. Thank you, Miss Eunice, for your time. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Bye bye.